Yes, my dude, let's go. In this video, I'm going to take you through setting up your website login. So here it is here. So you just obviously log into your account. Mine says so you'll obviously log in, boom, and then this is the FitFarm Sports Nutrition membership site. So once you made your login and you've logged in and you've registered and stuff, it takes you on here, right? So this is the desktop version I'm on, where all your columns are down the side here on the left, and then each video will pop up on here, or it could be a file or something pops up on here. But when you're using the app, this little column, when you click on these, you'll have to scroll up or scroll down to see the video or to see the files, right? It's different in the app than it is in here. So let's go through it. Welcome to FitFarm. So that's going to be a little video of me talking you through membership site, and then let's get set up in here. It's obviously got your apps to download, so you need obviously Facebook to put you in the OCG, the online coaching group. You need Map My Run, you need My PT Hub, you need the Fasting app, and MyFitnessPal, and I think that's the Steps app. So there's a few apps that you need. When you click on them, you can download them, right? My PT Hub, when you click in here, if you've not got My PT Hub, this will take you to it. Just wait for it to load. So My PT Hub, obviously I'm already logged in, right? So that'll take you through. You've set up a login. So when you set up a login, it takes you to this site, which is My PT Hub. This is our FitFarm app, and within here, if you can see on this side, you've got My Hub, workouts, nutrition, shopping list, the schedule. That's the FitFarm schedule, and it scrolls down messages, files, and packages. When you click on packages, I need you to get this one, the FitFarm members schedule. So click get package, package successfully activated. So that's me got that package, right? So that means when I scroll back out, when I go over here and go to schedule, I should have a schedule waiting for me. Yeah, there you go. This schedule hasn't been started yet, and I'm going to start the schedule. Start schedule. Yes, start schedule. And then boom, that's us in. So let me just run through this with you, right? So here's your schedule, week by week. So Monday Madness, if you clicked in there, that'll just show you what you've got coming up on the Monday, right? So there's all different forms of documenting in here. For example, barbell front squat. When we're doing it, I'm setting out your sets and your reps in the gym. You can put it in here and log it, so you're always logging the weights at your level for different sets and rep ranges, right? So we'll log everything in here from now on. Every time you come in, depending on what the workout is, it should be in this app, especially for my big moves and my compound moves and stuff like that. So it's all programmed in here, right? That's your schedule. You can have a little look about it and just familiarise yourself with it. Any questions, just message me. It's all in there. And we're going to do it for 6 weeks, and then we'll put the new schedule in. So it's a 6-week strength cycle. But also, I think Mondays is going to be like a big strength days. Wednesdays a bit of strength conditioning. Thursdays is like hypertrophy, body shaping. And Saturdays is Olympic lifting or various forms of lifting. So the other bit I need to show you is when you go into calendar. Right, so in calendar, this is your personal calendar, right? But when you click in here and go to trainer, that's the gym's calendar. So click in there, And then here's the gym's calendar. So what I need you to do is when you're coming in here, you need to click on these and let me know what days you're coming in. For example, Monday, right, I'm going to 6 AM class. Click. I need to book in the event because I'm going to that event. Yeah. Book now, and there you go. That's me booked into that class, right? If you can't make it, you have to come back in and cancel it. You can see here there's 26 spaces available in each camp. So when you click that, that's taking up a space. So I've got a certain amount of spaces. We need to fill them to make sure we've got the right numbers and stuff, and we'll work the room the right way. So if you can't make it, you have to cancel that. If you don't cancel that, there'll be a little punishment, lad. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but you'll be like banned from it from a day or something because you've booked it in and took up a space and never cancelled it. So make sure you get that done. Have a little look about it. Familiarise yourself with it. Go through all the days and times that you're coming in and book them in. If you're on the 6-week challenge, you're only allowed to do 3 training days a week. I'll say that again. If you're on the 6-week challenge, you're only allowed to do 3 training days a week. So you have to book in those 3 days, right? If you're a member, you can do 4 up to 5 days a week. And that reflects in the credits that you get. So familiarise yourself with it. When we go back, remember to go into the trainer's calendar, right? When you're in the trainer's calendar and you pick all your days and times, they will then go into the other calendar, which is your personal calendar, and you'll see what days and times you're in, right? So the trainer one, that's the gym's one. And then when you go back, my calendar is obviously the days and times you've booked in. Right? Familiarise yourself, my dudes. And what else is in here I want to show you? So scheduler, you can see all your workouts in it. Calendar, you know that you can book in your days and times and you can cancel your days and times so we know what you're coming in. Messages come straight through to me. Any files I need you to have will go in here. But when you go back to here, my hub, this is what I want you to do. I want you to go in and see where it says progress pics. I want you to put your progress pics in there. You can upload a pic or whatever it is. And do it weekly for me. And measurements, when you go in there, you can put in your weight and your measurements and it shows you how to do it. So get yourself a little tape measure and we document everything from the very, very beginning, right? I want you to be taking this serious now. This is you going on to full body transformations and body composition change. We're going to work on performance. We're going to work on getting you better as athletes. You're all athletes in your own right. We're going to fuel your body sufficiently. Make sure you get the most out of training, recover properly. But then we have to document your body stats. I want to be taking off the subcutaneous fat, lowering the visceral fat. Body fat percentage comes down and we start to build and sculpt your lean muscle. So we have to document everything and I need to know exactly what's going on at all times. So you use my PT Hub app. That's FitFarm's app to document everything, right? And then we use the online coaching group, the Facebook group, for your daily check-ins and stuff. So I'm going to show you in here now. So in the online coaching group, you've probably seen people doing this. If you're on a 6-week challenge, you've been doing this anyway. Right, I'll just use Aura as an example. So Aura, see the way she's wrote, she's on week 1, day 7. I want everybody to do that from Monday. I'm talking to members and anybody who's going on to membership and stuff. So you need to document your days, like week 1, day 7, whatever it is. And then you have to tell me if you're in calories. Calories are under, macros, water, food, fasted, right? So that's how you log in each day. So when I go back to here, my membership site, once you've downloaded the apps and you've got my PT Hub, then you tell me goal setting. So I want you to take time and watch this video and then you fill out the little form. This is you telling me all your goals and aspirations for your body, right? Elaborate. I really want to know what's going on. I want to know, do you want to get stronger? Do you want to build your glutes? Do you want to banish your bingo wings? Do you want to shape your back? Do you want to be able to do pull-ups, deadlifts, work on your squat? What do you want to happen personally? Do you want to get fitter? Do you want to lose weight so you can get out of the car? Do you want to be able to get in front of the camera again? Are you feeling insecure in your body? Do you want to get naked in front of your partner? What is your own personal aspirations and dreams for your body? And then we put it into our coaching, right? That's important that you get that right. Make sure you do that. And then when you scroll down in here, nutrition, This is all your nutrition stuff, so I need you to watch the video and then read the nutrition manual, read it fully. And then there's the Lean Supreme Project cookbook with all recipes in it, and here's all the recipes that I've broke down for you. So all the calories, proteins, carbs and fats are all broke down in these recipe books. You can open them up and just scan them all into MyFitnessPal and you've got them all already. Take time and look through all these. They're absolutely amazing, lad. It's took me forever to make these, so make sure you utilise them. Make sure you read that nutrition manual in full. So that's your nutrition section. You can always come back and look through it as time goes on, right? And then the Lean Supreme Project videos, here's what you need to do to get set up. So you're just going to walk down these videos step by step and watch them. There's the intro, there's the playbook and the 5 things we need you to focus on every day. And then here's how you set up your calories and your macros. So a video on calories there. It's me talking about calories. A video on macronutrients, me talking about proteins, carbs and fats. And then setting up your calories. So that's your TDEE calculator. That's a video on the TDEE calculator of me doing mine. And then when you click this, it takes you to the calculator. And you set up yours, right? But first watch the video and then do this so you know what you're doing exactly. And that sets up your calories and your macros and you put them into MyFitnessPal. So that's how you know how to get set up. Then when you scroll down, there's videos in here of manipulating calories. So intermittent fasting video, carb cycling, carb loading video. And you need to watch these and implement it as you go, right? And then priorities for fat loss video, what to focus on and what's not really important. So I need you to get up to speed and work your way through all these. And then coaching and accountability, that's what I just showed you in the Facebook group a minute ago. So weekly body stat check-in at the end of each week. You'll do a little check-in in the Facebook group, but you'll also update my PT Hub with your measurements and your before and after pictures, right? Daily body stat check-in. That's just you telling me at the end of each day what's went on in the Facebook group. You'll see people doing that in there everywhere. Just copy suit. And then daily diary. You need a diary that you write down what you want to achieve every single day and every single week, so you're constantly progressing. That's the best tip I can give you. If you've got accountability, then you'll wake up and you'll have things to focus on. If you've got a week wrote out, I've got 3 days I want to do my runs, I've got my 3 to 4 days training, I've got my 2 days food preps, my mindset's motivated, I'm upbeat. And if you write all this shit down, then week on week you can constantly progress it. Or if things aren't working as well as you wanted them to, then you can progress them or regress them. But if you don't know where you're going, then you won't be going there. So document absolutely everything, right? So that's your coaching. We've got cardio progressions in here. So that's like little running progressions for anybody just starting running. Or if you're more advanced, there's more advanced ones in there. Have a look at them. And then there's mindset and mentality. I'll be putting a lot of videos on in here for coaching, how your mindset should be, how your mentality should be, looking towards training and nutrition and how it will transfer into your life. And then here's the home workout. So every single workout that I do from now on will go in here. If it's workouts you can do from home. Other ones, technique and form videos, there'll be another section called technique and form. And we'll just build up our membership site, right? So this is for everybody that's coming on to membership. I need you to get all set up and work your way through this, dudes. I hope that all makes sense. Any questions, just post them into the OCG, into the online coaching group, and just tag me or send me a message. Welcome to Fit Farm Sports Nutrition new membership site. Let's get shit hot results for you. Make sure all this is done thoroughly, and that's us ready to roll, lad. We're on it. Fit Farm is going to become a results making machine, my dudes. No games, just results and all that jazz. Oosh!